How to add a manager or a user to Google Business Profile. Hi everyone! Adding a manager or user to a Google Business Profile allows multiple people to access and manage the profile. This can be useful for delegating responsibilities and keeping the profile up to date. Here is how you can add a manager or user to your Google Business Profile. First, you have to log in to your Google My Business account using the Google account associated with your business. As you see, we already logged in to our business account, and after logging in, you can click on the 9 dots. Here it says Google Apps. Click on it, and then you see Business Profile Manager. It can also be that after logging in, you will be taken to the Google My Business dashboard, and then you locate and click on the business profile you want to manage. And in the left hand menu, you will find users or team, and you can click on that option. Okay, now we click on Business Profile Manager, and then next to your business, you see these 3 dots. Click on it. Then you have multiple choices. Then you click on Business Profile Settings, the first one. And then you will see this menu. And here you see managers, so you can add, edit and remove profile managers. Click on it. Here you can also edit or remove access to existing accounts. On the users page, you should see an add option, or maybe invite new users or add user. Here you see add. Click on it. Enter the email address of the person you want to add as a manager. Make sure to use the Google account email associated with their Google services. And here you can select the role you would like to grant this person to manage this business profile on search and maps. You can change it at any time. Okay, we enter the email address and then we choose the role, in this case manager, and a manager can make changes to the business profile on Google Search and Maps. After selecting the role, you will have the option to send an invitation email to the user, and they will receive an email with an invitation link. So we click on invite. You see the invitation is pending here under pending, and this is the email you get when someone invites you to become an admin. The invitee clicks accept, and then you will see this accept invitation, become a manager of, and then accept as. Okay, accept. And as you see, you no longer see pending, and you now see the invited person as a manager. Once accepted, they will have access to manage the business profile based on the role's permissions. Please note that the user you invite needs to have a Google account. Also, ensure that you are careful with the roles you assign, as they dictate the level of control the added user will have over your business profile. And that's it. That's how you add a manager to your Google Business Profile.